Seriously, we're talking about variables. What is a variable? A variable is an object which has a value. For example, let's say Timmy equals 5. In this case, Timmy would be the variable and 5 would be the value. What types of variables are there? For example, first one is called an integer. An integer is just a whole number. So this, for example, the value would be an integer because it's just a whole number. The opposite of that is what's it called? A float, which has a decimal point. So this is an integer, and this is what's the word again? A float. It's as simple as that. And last but certainly not least, there is a string. A string is just a word. Let's say Timmy equals Timmy. Then this would be a string because it is a word. For it to count as a string, it has quotations, either single quotations or double quotations. You cannot interchange them. So you can do, for example, you can do Timmy, and that'll work, as you can see. But if you place one with the other, no, it doesn't see. There's also other sets of values that a variable could have. For example, a variable could be a list, which is a list of several things. For example, it can be a list of numbers or lists or a list of words. You can check what type of variable it is by using the type function. So for example, apple equals 6. This is an integer, and we'll go print type to put in our variable apple, and as you see, it'll be an integer. Let's say I add a decimal point, it'll turn into a float. And that's pretty much it.